That's right. It's a signature edition. It's leaf cut signatures. Sports Icons. And we have our owner list here in 103. That little code makes it easy to find on YouTube. Here we go, 7 times for the owner random, 7 times for the letter random. Then we'll stack the two lists up side by side, and you'll get matched up with your letter. And here is a lucky number 7, and the first random's complete. Now for our second random. Take a ride down Big Hit Boulevard. Good luck, everybody. 2 box break of these signature cuts. 7 times. Five, 6. Lucky number 7. I hope it's lucky. Somebody's coming away with something really nice. Let's see what happens next. There's everybody with their letter in the break. It is 1 cut signature per box. And we've got 2 boxes popping open here for you tonight on this January 2nd of 2018. It's a cut signature. What do we have here? Best wishes. The bullet. The bullet, everybody. It's the bullet. Oh my gosh. What a neat hit this is going to be for someone. Legend. Bill Dudley. Pro Football Hall of Famer, 13 of 13. Oh, my letter D owner, congratulations. This one is coming out in the break for Brad C. Brad C. picks up the bullet autograph. Nice, man. Nice hit. And now it's time for hit number 2. But Brad comes away with a nice one there. Congratulations, Brad C. Terrific. Now we have box number 2. Leaf Sports Icons. Raymond Berry, letter B, congratulations. Terry E. comes away with a Raymond Berry, 1 of 8. Pro Football Hall of Famer, sports icons, Raymond Berry. Nice hit. Congratulations in the box break to you, Terry E. and Brad C. To the both of you, hitting some legendary football Hall of Famers. In the break, the bullet for Brad and Terry lands the Raymond Berry.